Hi guys, I just wanted to send you a quick little pep talk to encourage you to push through with your assignments for next class. And I also wanted to remind you of the resources that you have available to you for this assignment or these assignments. So one of them is a library research guide. Remember that you have this in the notes packet, and it's a list of sources that are dedicated, many of them dedicated just to the topic of careers. So they should have information about the career you're researching. And you have databases and reference books and some websites. So those should be helpful for you. And you also have on Canvas, you have some instructional videos. So they show you MLA in researching, so how to access some of these sources on the library guide, and also how to document sources, so how to write that works cited page that's due. 2 entries for the works cited page, and that outline is a wish outline. Remember that it doesn't have to have only the research that you found. You can look at page 55 in the notes packet and look at the suggestions for information you might want to include, and just write topic sentences for the information that you know you'd like to include in that draft, and that you're still researching to find. So remember, it's a wish outline, it's a hopeful outline, and remember that you have lots of different resources for you. So keep pushing through, and I'll see you next class.